Hey guys, we provide any clone, duplicate, rebuilt website into WordPress website. You can provide your favorite any website link, then I can see your reference website, then I fully understand, then I fully clone into your WordPress website. You just launch you and domain you on brand. Corporate website, real estate website, and any business website, booking website, payment system website, law firm website, agency website, worldwide, any type website you need or any type your service business, then you can send me exactly what you need. I fully understand, then I can start work and I will complete fully your website you on launch your domain. My work is when complete, you can review, then are you satisfied, are you happy, that's my success. Actually, I will provide 1 year free support, no extra free and no customization. WordPress website fully SEO friendly, responsive design and world top class website I will provide. My experience is 6 year WordPress website design development and any website cloning into WordPress. DM me today, contact me today and send your requirement or reference website. I will start work today. Don't let your work today contact me.